Hey guys, I'm not working from home today. In fact, I am in a photo booth. Kind of weird, where I can just touch both walls. And this is the ceiling up here. And that's pretty much it. I am at a co-working space in Glen Ellyn, testing out this little tiny space as I'm checking my email. What do you think? All right, so today I'm at the local Brick Mortar. And this is a co-working space. As you can see, it's got really nice interior design. I love all the different textures and the different hardware and lighting. So it's really quite incredible. It's a great shared space for people to work. And this is just the front side of the area. This is just the front side. What you gonna do? 선택의 기로에 왠지 견내려 해 쉽지 않아도 A lot of the things were done like very intentionally too. Literally for work instead of lounging and chilling.
It's definitely a more productive type of environment. Not to come in, get stuff done, feel like they can check stuff off their list. Our design team's amazing at kind of anticipating these people.
Yeah, another use it's not for myself, but sometimes my clients do like a brand photo shoot and they just kind of need the boardrooms.
So
no, this is actually like just like enough space to, because I wouldn't, bother anybody if I'm just doing stuff in here.
Totally, but yeah, hunker down if you have a few hours of deep.
I just have to figure out who owns the cabinet.
One in our space and then you can So we have hot coffee and tea here, and then cold brew and kombucha on tap. If that wets your whistle at all, that's your jam.
I'm like geeking out on the textures.
I'm such a backsplash girl. But yeah, so any of your clients that you would host, you can serve them anything. It's all included. And then they're ventilated, power. The light makes you look very nice on video calls.
Soft lighting.
Soft lighting is great. Yes. And yeah, the acoustics are pretty good with the carpeted kind of soundproof walls. So those are
like either murals or the little LED like little light that you guys have with the little phrase. Those are like nice touches.
Totally.
Okay, cool. You guys did a really nice job with the space.
I of course can't take any credit, but I grew up loving HGTV, so I can appreciate it.
Okay, wait. Is this is like the second floor?
Yes, second floor.
I'm like, what am I?
Yeah, it took me like a week of bouncing around our spots to settle in. Okay, so same amenities. There's always a different flavor of kombucha up here. So if you like kombucha, try them both. And then, stocked, of course, mugs, glassware.
This is like really
nice. Spick and span, coffee, filtered water, restrooms again up here. Those are all private offices. There's that one phone booth at the end. There's the other one.
Same one with,
Same deal. And then up here. Also, so the way that the co-working works, everything starts with a day pass. It's $35. Now 2 bundles of day passes.
Okay.
So if you buy 4 for $140, you get a 5th on us.
Okay.
Or if you buy 10 for $350, then you get 5 on us.
All right, so I've been working in this space for a little bit, and it's time to check out the upstairs space. So let's go.
You should be ready to stumble. You know what they say, 자신감이 없니? 왜 당당하게
The inside of their phone booth. So you can take some calls here, but obviously it could look a little claustrophobic in here. So this is the space. So I can take calls here, and it's like I'm in a phone booth.
쏟아지는 말 이미 어지러운 이 세상 속에서